this is Divisha Agrawal and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another video in which we are going to talk about creating a decent makeup look using just 5 products. So I was getting ready for a shoot and I thought of sharing this makeup look with you guys. Usually my makeup depends on what kind of outfit I'm going to wear and what kind of vibe I'm going for. But today it was quite basic, so I thought of recording this video for you guys to see and learn. I am no expert, but I just learn from here and there, and I just follow my own instincts when it comes to makeup. So yeah, let's do this. Let's get into the video. So before starting the makeup, it is really important to clean your face properly and moisturize it really well. Moisturizing will make your makeup look really glowy and dewy and nice. It will not dry out and it will not look cakey at all. And also cleaning your face is really important because it will prevent breakouts, acne or pimples if you have any issues like that. So yeah, it's really important to moisturize it well and to clean it. So I'll start with my base. For the base, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I hope you all know it by now. It is very nice and it blends really well and it gives a natural finish to the skin. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude Beige. So yeah, I'll just take like 1 drop of foundation, like really teeny tiny drop, and I'll apply it all over my face. Don't mind if I'm looking away from the camera because there's mirror over there. I'll put tiny dots everywhere on my face like this. And do not forget your neck. So this makeup look is typically for those who don't like to put a lot of makeup on their skin and still want a good decent makeup look. Usually I'll just use my fingers to blend the foundation, but today we are shooting, so I'll use this brush. You can use your fingers or any beauty blender that you have. I'll just blend it really nicely into my skin. Make sure your brushes are clean and blenders are clean while you do your makeup because it can cause acne issues. So cleaning your brushes time to time is really important, girls. I have blended the foundation into my skin really well. Blending is really important, else your makeup will look really cakey. I don't use any loose powder, setting powder to set my base because I have a really dry skin and it just makes it more dry. So I prefer not to use it. But if you want to use it, go ahead, use it. It's totally your call because makeup is all about experimenting. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go with for the next step, which is my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'll start with brushing it like in the upward direction, like this. So I am done with brushing my brows. And now I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty. I don't know from where it came from, but it's really old, but it solves my purpose, so I just use it. And you can use any eyebrow pencil that you have or any eyeshadow in darker shades like black, brown, anything. It will work for you. And I'm just gonna take just shape it a little bit like this. I'll just fill in the gaps in my eyebrow and make it a little longer. see, it just gives a lot of structure to your face and it just looks better. So yeah, eyebrow pencil is a must, guys. Moving on to the next product and next step, we'll just apply this eyeliner from Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes eyeliner. It's really good and it's waterproof, and you should definitely check it out. I'll put a link in the description or name in the description. You can definitely check it out on Nykaa. I ordered it from there. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of winged liner, and today we are going for a basic look, so I'll just keep it to the crease and not make a wing. We are going to take a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm going to use a small mirror because you need precision. I'm done with applying my eyeliner and it looks something like this. So yeah, it's really basic and I think everyone can do it. We are done with eyeliner and now I'm moving on to the next and my most favorite step, that is mascara. Yeah, so we are gonna put a lot of mascara. This is again from Maybelline. Mascara gives your eyes a really fresh look, so I just love this product. And now for the last product, we are going for a lip color. This lipstick is from Lakme 925 collection and the shade is Plum Feather. This shade is actually really good for my skin tone, so you can try it for yourself. Has a really like very velvety touch to it, so I just love it, and it gives a really matte finish. You can check out the product description in the description box below. And for the last part and my favorite part, we are going to apply this lipstick onto my cheeks for a little blush. This is the 5th product and I'm gonna use it in 2 ways. So yeah, a little bit on both sides. Take a brush and blend it really well. I like my makeup to be really simple and subtle and something that looks good in pictures and videos. This is like my makeup look, and I like to put some on my nose as well, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I think we are pretty much done. So this is my final look. You can see how basic and regular it is. It just takes like 10 minutes to create this look using minimum number of products, and you can easily recreate it. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys because this is like my first makeup tutorial sort of thing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, do let me know in the comments below if you want more videos like these. Also, if you guys enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.